Hello friends, today we are going to learn about hypoglycemic agent. Hypoglycemic agent, the normal sugar level is 70 to 80 mg per 100 ml. In the person without diabetes, normal fasting blood sugar level are below 100 mg per dl. Level just prior to meal and snack should be less than 110 mg per dl. Optimal level are below 140 mg dl 2 hours after meal and below 120 mg dl before bed. What is diabetes mellitus? Diabetes mellitus is a condition arises due to abnormal metabolism of carbohydrates, fats and proteins and which is characterized by hypoglycemia and glucosuria. Diabetes means large urine volume and mellitus means honey. Hyperglycemia. In this condition, blood sugar level is above 180 to 200 mg dl and hypoglycemia, that is the condition in which blood sugar level equal or below 70 mg per dl. The drugs which are used to lower blood sugar are called hypoglycemic agents. They are used to treat diabetes mellitus. In Latin, mellitus means honey. Diabetes mellitus is characterized by persistent hyperglycemia, usually with glucosuria. The different factors involved in its origin are hereditary, immunological, age, stress, etc., during which either endogenous insulin secretion is reduced or the action of insulin is opposed. The lack or deficiency of insulin affects carbohydrates, protein, and lipid metabolism. As a result, the different symptoms manifestations observed are hyperglycemia, glucosuria, cetonemia, ketonuria, hyperlipidemia, polyuria, polydipsia, that is increased thirst, etc. Diabetes mellitus is mainly divided into two types, that is type 1, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, that is also called IDDM. In this, it is formally called juvenile onset as it develops generally in youth. Insulin is essential to treat this type as patients have little or no endogenous insulin. Second, type 2 is called non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, which is also called NIDDM. It is formally called as adult onset or maturity onset diabetes as it develops in middle age or in elderly patients who are often obese. It is treated by dietary modification or by use of oral hypoglycemic agent and in certain cases by insulin. Type 3 malnutritional related diabetes mellitus, that is also called MRDM. This diabetes mellitus is mainly related to malnutrition. Next, type 4 is secondary diabetes. It is due to certain pancreatic disease or certain genetic disorder or may be drug induced. Classification of hypoglycemic agents. Hypoglycemic agent may be placed into following groups. First is hormone that contains insulin and its preparation. Second class is oral hypoglycemic agent, or it is also called synthetic hypoglycemic agent, that is divided into sulfonylureas, for example chloropropamide, tolbutamide and glibenclamide. Secondly, it is divided into bigonides, for example fenformin, metformin. And third class is plant group, plant product, example is gorgon. Now we see first example. Now we see about insulin. It is a hormone produced by beta cells of islets of Langerhans of pancreas. It is a polypeptide containing 51 amino acids arranged in two chains, namely A and B, having 21 and 30 amino acids respectively. These two chains are connected by two disulfide bridge. Source: pancreas of pig and ox. Porcine insulin differ from human insulin in only one amino acid in D chain, while bovine insulin differ from human insulin in two amino acids in A chain and one amino acid in B chain. Human insulin is produced either by enzymatic modification of porcine insulin or by use of DNA recombinant technology in microorganisms so that amino acid sequence is identical to that of human insulin. Properties of insulin: it is a white powder, it is slightly soluble in water, it dissolves in dilute solutions of mineral acids and soluble in alkali hydroxide in which it is hydrolyzed, and it is inactivated by proteolytic enzyme. Stability and storage: it is sensitive to heat and light, and hence it is stored in well-closed container at a temperature below 8 degrees Celsius. Insulin injection is stored in multi-dose container at a temperature between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and should not be allowed to freeze. The label should bear number of units per ml, the animal source of insulin, expiry date, storage condition with precaution that it should not be allowed to freeze. The container should be shaken gently before withdrawal of dose. Uses of insulin: it is used as to control diabetes mellitus, which is uncontrollable by diet alone, or to treat insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus. Second, to use or to regulate carbohydrate metabolism. Third, to treat hyperkalemia. Fourth one, to treat severe ketoacidosis or diabetic coma. Insulin exerts following actions: it decreases blood sugar level, it increases oxidation of glucose, it increases muscle glycogen, it decreases gluconeogenesis, it decreases ketogenesis, it increases lipogenesis, it increases protein synthesis. Pharmaceutical formulation of insulin: insulin injection, neutral insulin injection, biphasic insulin injection, globin zinc insulin injection, isophil insulin injection, protamine zinc insulin injection, insulin zinc suspension mixed or amorphous to or crystalline. Second example is chlorpropamide. It is the sulfonylurea derivative and it is orally active hypoglycemic agent. This is the structure of chlorpropamide, which contains sulfonylurea group and propyl group is attached to number 3 position of nitrogen, and para-chlorobenzene is attached to 1 position of nitrogen. Chemical name: 1-para-chlorobenzene sulfonyl 3-propylurea, or N-para-chlorobenzene sulfonyl N-propylurea. Properties of chlorpropamide: it occurs as white crystalline powder which is odorless and tasteless. It is practically insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol and solution of alkali hydroxide. Storage condition: it is stored in well-closed container. Uses: it is used to treat non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus and mild to moderate diabetes insipidus. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in chlorpropamide tablet and brand names are Diabetol, Diabetin, Chloroformine. Second example is tolbutamide. Properties: it occurs as white crystalline powder which is almost odorless. It is practically insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol, in sodium hydroxide solution and in dilute mineral acids. Storage: it is stored in well-closed container. Uses: it is used to control blood sugar or blood glucose in previously untreated non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, in treatment of diabetes when blood glucose is unsatisfactory despite treatment with diet, in conjunction with metformin if the drug alone failed to control blood glucose level, and as a substituent for other oral hypoglycemic agent. Dosage form, it is available in tolbutamide tablet and brand names are tolbutab and rastinol. Next drug is fenformin. It is a bigonide derivative which contains two bigonides group. Chemical name 1,2-phenylethyl bigonide. Properties, it is official as hydrochloride salt which is white crystalline powder which is odorless and has bitter taste, which is freely soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. When equal volume of 10% solution of sodium nitroprusside, potassium ferrocyanide and sodium hydroxide is added to aqueous solution of fenformin, it gives wine red color within 3 minutes. Storage, store in well-closed container. Uses, it is used to treat non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, to reduce blood sugar level in cortisone-induced hyperglycemia, to reduce blood cholesterol in maturity onset diabetes. Pharmaceutical formulation, fenformin tablets, brand name Sucranase and Dislim. Next drug is metformin. Properties of metformin, it is the only bigonide derivative available therapeutically as fenformin and buformin have been withdrawal because of their high risk of inducing lactic acidosis. Its hydrochloride salt is white crystalline powder which is odorless and has bitter taste, and it is hygroscopic. It is freely soluble in water but practically insoluble in chloroform. Stability and storage, as it is hygroscopic, it is stored in tightly closed container. Uses, it is used to treat non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus in combination with insulin, diabetes associated with hyperlipoproteinemia and obesity. Dosage form, it is available in metformin tablet and brand name is Diadex Glutamate. Next drug is glibenclamide. It is the second generation which probably the most potent on weight-based property. It is white crystalline powder and odorless. It is very slightly soluble in water and sparingly soluble in chloroform. Storage, it is stored in well-closed container. Uses, it is used to treat non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus either alone with controlled diet or in combination with bigonides, as a substituent for other hypoglycemic agent which causes undesirable side effects, as a possible substituent for insulin in non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Dosage form, it is available in glibenclamide tablets and dosage brand names are Dionil and Euglekon. Thank you so much.